Oh, I got.
It's a bluegill. Oh, there.
Do you know what the world record bluegill is?
Another one? Another one.
Another one.
Another one back done.
Oh, I saw a flash.
Yeah, I got this.
Oh,
Got some. Crappie. Oh. Yeah, that's about the size of it.
I like how you just dropped your rod in the water.
Yeah, a little bit smaller than that.
baby little crappie. Look. Did you watch like fly rod tutorials? Oh.
Like how I'm just not catching anything.
I mean, it's a completely different little guy.
I've been there once.
Oh, crap.
What?
Go around the tip.
Oh, I got you.
Oh, no, it's not.
I got you. Oh, is that an actual fight?
Yeah. I'm not gonna be able to get it. It's like all tangled. There we go. Yeah. It's a better one. Got it. It's pretty nice. Yeah.
Like so
There you
It's
go.
like 50. It's like $50, right?
Yeah.
Not bad.
Are you kidding me? It's not even funny.
Are you serious?
Yeah. Little one.
Random. Okay.
If this was where the float
Oh,
you got it.
boy.
Right.
When you think you catch a crappie, but it's actually a red ear.
It's all by how it was fighting.
It felt big. Oh,
What'd you watch that?
Oh, you got
That's
it. Crappie.
disgusting.
Me or him?
Are you kidding me? Are you?
That's a nicer one. That's about the average.
I hate you two.
a little bit better.
Yeah.
You're gonna break their spine.
Oh,
Yes.
Yes. Get him. Oh no. Catch fish.
oh.
This is the only year that I would
Bluegill.
literally get good at that.
Oh! Just caught another one. Whoa! I'm in it though. Seriously? Bluegill.
Only 8 pounds.
Oh!
Really? Yeah. Nice
Where-
catch.
So I just caught this nice bass on the black and blue cream lure scoundrel on a drop shot. Pretty nice fish. I'm sorry I didn't get the fight for you guys, but I didn't even expect him biting. So wow. I really recommend getting this bait. I'll put it in the description below. Let's release this guy. I just caught this nice bass on the cream lure 6-inch scoundrel with the little blue tail. Pretty nice fish. Let's catch another one. It's a pretty nice fish for these little lakes. The lakes aren't that big, but I caught them right over there at the little inflow. So let's get a release. Just caught another one on the cream lure black and blue scoundrel on the drop shot. Let's get him out. Here's the fish. Not bad. Let's get another one.
Where'd you catch this? Like,
Just caught this bass. The bait was the cream lure stick bait with red flake in it.